Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this super cute, super trendy, super easy do-it-yourself life hack. As always, I'm going to link everything I use in the description box below, so make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you what you can do when you don't have a dental dam handy. Everybody knows that dental dams are what you can use to create a barrier between you and your partner's fluids during oral sex. Oh, speaking of partner's fluids, my girlfriend Roxy just texted me. Roxy and I use this trick all the time. Hold on a sec.
Hey babe, let's go to the archives.
Alright, let's get started. First, what you're going to do is take the condom out of the packet, like this. Then you're going to roll it all the way down, like that. And then you're going to rip the ring off like this. So easy. You can save this for later. This next part, since it's do-it-yourself, you can figure out how you want to do it. Grab a pair of scissors and make a small cut, or you can do zigzag, swirly, whatever you want. Tear it like this. And there you have it, folks, a dental dam. Babe, I'm waiting. That's my girlfriend Roxy, gotta go. Oh wait, and I almost forgot. You can use this as a hair tie to keep your hair out of the way. All right, that's all for me, folks. Make sure to like and subscribe.